Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious cookies with just 3 simple ingredients. First, gather your flour, sugar, and butter. For optimal results, make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This helps create a smooth, well-combined dough. We'll use 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now, let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, cream the softened butter and sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, gradually add the flour, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cookies. Stop as soon as no dry streaks of flour are visible. With your dough ready, it's time to shape the cookies. Roll the dough into small, uniform balls, about 1 inch in diameter. For a classic appearance, you can gently flatten each ball with a fork. This also helps them bake more evenly. Once shaped, place your cookies on a baking sheet and chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step prevents them from spreading too much during baking. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your delicious creations. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the chilled cookie dough balls on a baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.